everyone. Today we are going to learn alphabet drawing. But some of you feel that drawing is hard to do. But it's not true. You would be thinking on your mind that what is alphabet drawing? Alphabet drawing is nothing but the basic drawing. I hope you got the meaning. Are you ready to learn? Let's go to the writing board.
Audio Jungle.
Let's go to the first letter A. You have to draw here first A. Okay, then join this line to this. Then draw this line to join that. Then keep a line like this. Then one more here. See, we made a hat. Now let's go to the B letter. Draw here B. Now draw a tail here. Now draw a beak. Now draw a eye. Now draw a hand and one more leg. See, we made here a bird. Now let's go to C. Draw C. Then make it a circle. Then draw one eye. Then another eye. Then draw this small triangle. Then here one curve line. Then there one curve line. Then put stripes. Then draw ears. We made a cat. Now let's go to the D letter. Draw D here. After drawing, put a wavy lines here and there. Then one more here. Now draw polka dots. The D will cover into a polka dots. See here, we can make a jellyfish. Go to the E letter. Draw E here. Then extend the line here. Then draw one more line here. You can see here two squares. Then draw a door and another door. Then draw a triangle at the top. Next, draw a step. We made a house. Now let's go to the F. Draw F here. Now extend the line till that equally. Then keep this. Then draw one more line. Then one more line. Then keep a circle. Then we made a flag. We are going to make a flag here. Yeah, we made a flag here. Now let's go to the G letter. Draw G here. Then curve it here. Then make it a swirly circle. Then do this. Then extend the line till here. Okay. Then put a smiley and a face and a eye. Then put the head like here. Here we made a snail. Now let's go to the H. Draw H. Then draw a small rectangle. Then write and then draw a U. Then draw again a step. This is a post box. Let's go to the letter I. Draw I here. Then draw one more line here. Then here. Then one more here and join it with it. Next, draw a triangle. Then do this. Then draw this. Then shoot this. Everybody knows this, no? It's a pencil. Now let's go to the J. Draw J. Then give one more outline of J. Then extend this line. Then put a U. Then one more here. A triangle. Then decorate it. It's raining today, no? Use this umbrella. Now let's go to the K. Draw K. Then put a design which you choose. Then put a triangle. Then draw the details. Then do the design which you like. And the ants. It's a fish. Now let's go to the L. Draw L. Extend the line between two sides. Then give two outline of it. Then give like that one more. Then one more line. Then one more line. We made a ladder to climb. M letter. Draw M. Then join this line. Then join that line. Then put a circle. Then do wavy lines. It's a handbag. Now let's go to the N letter. Draw N. Then put one more line here. Then join this line. Then put squares. Then here. Then keep a rectangle. Then do this. Then put smoke. What is it? It's a factory. Now let's go to O, the simplest in everything. Then do this, then do that, and I have 50 balls at my home. Now let's go to the P letter. Draw P. Then do this. Then draw a tail. Then draw a leg. Then draw a beak. Then draw a eye. We made a parrot. The Q letter. Draw Q. Then draw a wavy lines. Then draw two circles and make it as eyes. Then draw two ears. It's an elephant. Now let's go to the letter R. Draw R. Then draw this. Then this. Then this. Draw two circles here. Then one here. Then it's a butterfly. Now let's go to the letter S. Now extend this line. Then continue the same line. Then do this. Then this. Then draw an eye. It's a snake. Now let's go to the T letter. Draw T. Then give one more outline. Then draw this and straight line. Then draw this, straight lines. Then draw a box. Then two circles. It's a table lamp. Now let's go to the letter U. Draw U. Then draw like this. Then like this. Then like this. Then continue it like this. Then like this. Then draw a line here and here. It's a lotus. Now let's go to the V letter. Draw a V. Then do whatever your favorite design. Then do this. Draw like this diagonal lines, and here also. Then draw a U. Then draw a stick. Then draw. It's an ice cream. Now let's go to W. Now put one more line here and here. Then join it. Then put 3 circles. Then at the top 3 circles. It's a crown. Now let's draw X. Now continue it with this line. Draw this. Then put a circle and color it. It's a bow. Go to the letter Y. Draw Y here. Then draw a circle here. Then draw a standing line here. Then a circle, half circle. Then put diamond line. Then put wavy lines here. Then a stick. It's a lemonade. Now let's go to the letter Z. Draw Z here. Then extend the line here. Then here also. Then draw this line. Then draw the wavy lines. Then color it here. Then here. It's a kite. And here, you can look here. You can color these and make it beautiful. Sure, it's fun to learn drawing. Like my video, subscribe my video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.